Marc Marquez. What a display!
Marquez for Pedrosa and Lorenzo. That'll be our podium. We're not guaranteed.
There's Marquez's father in the pit box there as well, chewing his fingernails.
Two sons racing here this weekend. He's already seen Alex Marquez finish.
There used to be a team in America called Two Sons Racing, Two Brothers Racing many years ago.
The Ducati's running 8, 9, 10. Then Espargaro top CRT. Bradley Smith on the other monster Tech 3 Yamaha. Ben Speeds in 13th position. 16 spots and all the points paying positions. Brian Steering, the rookie, in 20th. Blake Young on the Attack Performance Kawasaki engine machine in 21st spot.
Through turn 19 for the last time goes Marc Marquez into turn 20. He's got it one from here. There's no way anything can go wrong now. And there he comes across the line.
There feel as though they have done the best they could do this weekend. Nicky Hayden finishing in 9th spot. Davizioso taking the position. Crazy Joe will round out the top 10. And Ben Speeds to cross the line. There's Marquez beginning what we know is going to be a very happy celebration here at Circuit of the Americas.
Incredible. Valentino Rossi gives him the congratulations. He can still remember what it feels like to win your first MotoGP race, and this boy has got a very bright future in front of him.
Showing us the MotoGP that hired this young man, and well, I guess he made the right decision, no question about it. Marc Marquez, winner at Circuit of the Americas. His debut victory in what we expect is going to be a lot of very illustrious.